Respected Dais, my dear friends, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, keynote speaker Padma Bhushan Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, former chairman of ISRO, guest of honor Shri Arun Gujarati ji, former speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, our founder president of MIT ADT University and MIT Group, Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad sir. Professor Rahul Karad is not here, but he is delivering online address. Managing Trustee and Executive President of the Mair MIT Group of Institutions, Dr. Sunil Karad, Srimati Swati Sate, Dr. Suchitra Nagre, our Deepak Shikarpur, who is a member of governing body, all other eminent guests on the dais and off the dais, distinguished members of the Board of Management, deans, directors, heads, academic members of the MIT ADT University, distinguished invitees, dear graduating students and their proud parents, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I am delighted to welcome graduates of 2020 on the momentous occasion of the third convocation ceremony of the MIT ADT University. I am also delighted to congratulate them for this coveted academic distinction and to wish them all a very bright, prosperous tomorrow. Friends, it is a matter of great pride that Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, our Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, is with us today to celebrate your victory and the joy of success on the occasion of this convocation ceremony. Our chief guest, Shri Koshyari ji, is a renowned thinker, philosopher, politician who has served our country in different capacities. He was the National Vice President of BJP, Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Leader of Opposition, Uttarakhand, served as a MLC in Uttar Pradesh. He also has served as a Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, since 2008 to 2014, and Member of Parliament of Lok Sabha since 2014 to 2019. And now he is serving as Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. Throughout his life journey, he has made great impact on the lives of people, on the society. His Excellency, it was our great desire that you should be the chief guest of our third convocation ceremony. And we are fortunate to have you with us through the online mode. Audience, you can see Honorable Governor is visible on the screen. I am deeply obliged to you for accepting our warm invitation and for your august presence during the convocation ceremony in this critical pandemic situation. So thank you, sir. We are also honored by the presence of Padma Bhushan awardee, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, former chairman of ISRO, whose contributions are priceless for the country. Under his direction as a chairman, ISRO, 37 Indian space missions, launch vehicles and satellites were executed since October 2009. These missions include 20 spacecraft missions, 15 launch vehicle missions, and latest being the experimental flight of a LVM-3 launcher carrying unmanned crew module. So we are really thankful. Dr. K. Radhakrishnan ji, he is unable to come here because of his age and because of this corona pandemic. But his pre-recorded message, we are going to play it here. So thank you, Dr. Radhakrishnan ji. Our most important guest, our own respected Shri Arun Bhai Gujarati ji is here. He is a former speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. He is a well-known political persona of a country. He has served the state of Maharashtra as MLA, MLC, state minister, cabinet minister, and president of the Congress Party, NCP Congress Party, and at many other coveted positions. Sir, we are delighted by your presence on this stage. for this ceremony. And friends, our own founder president, Revered Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir, our inspiration, driving force of the entire MIT family is here. He is also online. Sir, we all are delighted by your presence on this dais. I am also delighted to specially welcome Shri Rahul V. Karat, our young and dynamic managing trustee and executive president of a MITES MIT group of institutions. I think he will join soon online. He has initiated novel concepts like a Bharat Chhatra Sansad, National Women Parliament, National Teacher Congress, and MIT School of Government, and so on. And now he is shaping MIT World Peace University to new heights. Thanks for gracing the occasion. MIT Pune has always shown the different pathways to the society from time to time and has made great impact on the society. It has always fulfilled the aspirations of a young youth and common person of the society. And to do that, MIT has started number of institutions, number of universities throughout Maharashtra and outside Maharashtra too. At MIT ADT University, we have a blend of art with a design and design with a technology, with an interdisciplinary approach and a vision of developing and building multidisciplinary programs in innovative fields and creating research and innovation culture and best academic excellence is the vision with which this university is working. The university is therefore emerging as a leader with a multidisciplinary platform, bridging walls of restricted learning under specific domains. The university has beautifully crafted the vision of imparting world-class and quality education with a holistic outlook to have winning personalities and culture of entrepreneurship and industry innovations for future learning and for future times. Friends, we believe that the role of education is not limited to producing degree holders, but it plays a significant role in shaping and uplifting the society. Education should focus on solving the problems faced by the society. Therefore, the university focuses on innovation and entrepreneurship so that students are given opportunities to get jobs and create jobs for all. We therefore provide conditions, resources, and facilities fostering an emergence of breakthrough ideas. We believe that creativity and innovation coexist. Thus, we try to create individuals who are adept to solving their problems by thinking outside the box. Friends, let me now take this opportunity to throw some light on some of the remarkable achievements of our university in the last year. Our university got 26th rank among the first 50 universities of the country in Atal Ranking 2020 by the Ministry of Education, Government of India on 18th August 2020. We also got 5-star rating to our institution's Innovation Council for exemplary performance by the Ministry of Education's Innovation Council on 15th of October 2020 on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. University had 72 agreements, MOUs signed with different organizations till last year. And in the period of this lockdown, our university has signed 129 more MOUs with different industries, and we have crossed the milestone of 200 MOUs till date. We have signed MOU with the University of Business, Wrocław, Poland, and we have started MBA Global Program. The program runs in 2 countries, 2 continents. MIT ADT University Pune has launched the first software product entitled Book My Tool. It's a web portal and Android app in the commercial space developed for Shemail Online Private Limited, Singapore. So it's a product is developed by our computer and IT department. MIT School of Engineering has received funding of rupees 47 lakh from Armament Research Development Establishment Pune for a research project on high-speed fragment launcher by a rotary mechanism for impact test. It is a special purpose machine which our students of aerospace engineering and mechanical engineering, they are going to develop it. The university organized a session on creativity harvesting, copyright filing and wealth creation for the faculty members on February 3rd, 2021, on the occasion of the 80th birthday of our founder, Dr. Vishwanath Karat sir, and around 200 faculty members filed copyright applications on that day. It is a new culture which we are creating here, new ecosystem which we are creating here to promote the innovation. Recently, university also has partnered with a famous Apple company. Our 15 teachers are getting trained by Apple UK in mobile app development and creativity domain. Special Apple labs are established at campus. This will certainly boost the innovation at campus among our students. So that's a good achievement to be connected with the company like Apple. School of Engineering also has signed MOU with a Makers Lab of a Tech Mahindra, and 50 plus students are working on building satellite agricultural technologies, autonomous vehicles, and health technologies jointly with the Tech Mahindra people. So this is also very good beginning to work with the industry. Department of Computer Engineering and IT have signed another MOU with the National Grape Research Center Pune. National Grape Research Center Pune is a subsidiary of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, India, ICAR. They are developing new technologies to combat grape diseases at early stages. MIT Center for Future Skills Excellence, FUSE, it is an online education vertical of a university which has been established to provide students and working professionals with a quality employability education and industry-aligned curriculum to ensure that they succeed in their careers. This year, we have taken another very important new initiative to establish innovation department, called it as a CREA, that is a Center for Research and Innovation for Young Aspirants. This department is allotted budget of rupees 3 crore to process the innovative projects undertaken by our students of different schools and to develop the commercial products out of them and to sell those new innovative products, new technologies into the market. So this is a very important department. This will certainly enhance the innovation ecosystem at our university. With that belief, this department is started. The list of activities and achievements goes on and on like this, which is quite encouraging as we move ahead, trying to reach greater heights day by day and spread our wings as one of the young universities. So the achievements has no end. Today morning, I was at a design school and the faculties were telling me so many achievements done by the students and the faculties. I think I cannot write all these achievements in this report. So my hearty congrats to all those achievers who has achieved the great prizes, name, and the laurels for the university. Friends, in nutshell, I can only say that our university, and its constituents are striving hard. They are working very hard to excel in academics, infrastructure, operations, employability of our students at a rapid pace. And so I assure you that in coming 5 years, MIT Art, Design and Technology University will create its own place at a national level. Dear friends, at last, I once again congratulate all of you as well as your parents for the achievement of the milestone of a graduation, your graduation. Your courses have come to an end, but not learning, as it is an ongoing lifelong process. Learning is a lifelong process. In fact, you are now required to change your life gear and enter a professional life zone and drive to reach your desired destination and achieve your dreams and dreams of your family. As graduates, you are ready to make a profound difference as the next generation of global leaders in your field, here in India and around the world. Education, Nelson Mandela said, is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Now it is up to you to prove it, how you use it and how you change the world. Friends, I also hope that you will stay in touch with our university and keep coming back to the university for the growth of our university. Congratulations again, and may God bless you. Thank you.